Hi, I just bought the Karcher WD2 Plus vacuum cleaner, which has great storage for all the appliances. It can blow as well as suck, so you can blow leaves away and you can park the hose and it works perfectly. So have a look at this. So here is the vacuum cleaner, and a very neat plastic design, and it comes with carpet or floor head, one for sucking up water, which is like this, very effective, and a two-part long stem which can plug into this. This can actually also be stored by putting it there, as can these. One can go there, another one can go there, and this one can go there, wherever you like to put it. And then it just wheels around beautifully, like that. So now, at the moment it's plugged in the front of it, just below the main switch, and that means it's set up to do vacuuming. And it's very, very effective. So if I plug it into this arm, we've now got this long arm, and then I can take this and plug the floor attachment into it, which is then perfect for vacuuming floors and carpets, etc. If I wanted to change this and take that off, I could plug in the water suction attachment. Again, there it is, and it's perfect for sucking up water. Very effective, and the water suction on this works very well. If I want to turn it into a blower rather than suck a vacuum, I literally just unplug this and I take it round to the back and I plug it in there like that. You can see it's plugged into the right hand one, and then if I turn it on, it will blow rather than suck, and it's very, very effective at blowing. Then if I want to open it up, I click that one and I click that one and just lift off, and there's a bag in there which you can just slip out if you're vacuuming water, and then pop it back on, that down, that down, and that down, and it's ready to blow your leaves away. So that's it. The on-off switches, there's one, and off. And so that's the suction side of it, if you want to suck up dust in your house. And then if I come around, it's now plugged into the blower side. So then it will just blow all your leaves away. But you should note that if you are sucking up water, you should take out the bag in the unit itself, because it will then get wet and it's not needed. But all in all, a great little product, and I'm very happy I bought it.